In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Excel to n8n quickly and easily. Even if you've never used n8n before, by the end you'll be able to read data from an Excel file, process it, and use it in your workflows with confidence. We'll begin by adding a manual trigger. Think of this as the big green start button for your workflow. It lets you run everything on demand while you're building and testing. Later, if you want this to run automatically, you can swap it for a scheduled trigger so your workflow fires at set times without you touching it. Next, we'll bring in your Excel file. Use the Read Binary File node or the Spreadsheet File node if you prefer. Point it to the file path on your computer or a connected storage service. This step is like opening the workbook so n8n can see the rows and columns inside. Once loaded, your spreadsheet is available to the workflow as binary data ready for parsing. Now convert that spreadsheet into JSON, so n8n can work with it easily. In the Spreadsheet File node, choose the Convert to JSON option. Each row becomes its own JSON object. Column headers become keys, and the cells become values. For example, headers like name and email turn into structured fields. Picture your rows turning into tidy digital cards that are consistent, searchable, and ready for automation. If you need to clean or narrow down the data, add a set, filter, or function node. You can keep only rows that meet a condition, like requiring a non-empty email field, rename fields to match another app, or combine columns into a single value. Think of this as tidying your rows before you send them anywhere else. With your JSON ready, you can put it to work. Use nodes like HTTP request, Airtable, Google Sheets, or any API integration. Each JSON object represents a single row, so you can loop through records one by one or send them in batches. This is where rows become deliveries to your destination app, whether that's a CRM, a database, or another service. Go ahead and click Execute Workflow. Watch the data move through each node, then verify the results at the destination. Start with a small file to test your mappings, confirm field names, and catch any formatting issues early. When everything looks good, replace the manual trigger with a cron trigger to run hourly, daily, or weekly. It's like switching from Start Once to Auto Run. Congrats! You connected Excel to n8n, trigger, read the file, convert to JSON, optionally clean it, and send it wherever you need. No coding required, works with nearly any spreadsheet, and it's easy to automate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more n8n tutorials, including Google Sheets, APIs, and Airtable integrations.